I'm Carla West with scazradio.com. I'd like to give you a little update on Lakeview Recreation Center, the work being done at the hill, and the putt-putt golf. The mini golf is closed. This is as of yesterday, July 14th. You have to go into the north entrance by the pontoon boats to enter. The pontoon boats, they weren't available. Pad work being done right in front. A lot of pavement's been replaced, as you can see, but a little bit of work and cleanup still needs to be done. The benches are reinstalled. They've ground down some of the high spots of the parts that don't need replacing. The pad in front of the pier has been all redone. Looks really beautiful. It's nice and smooth. You can walk around the lake. It's still open. But be aware, sometimes the water is not working at the top of the hill. And that's the update on Lakeview Recreation Center up at the hill. I'm Carla West with scazradio.com, and come and enjoy the lake.